Welcome. If you're looking to enable video message sending in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest update, managing group permissions is easier than ever, and you can give your group members access to send video messages in just a few quick steps. Let's walk through the process together. First, open Telegram Web on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and get started. Once you're in, find the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to change group permissions, so make sure you have the right access. Click on the group to open the chat window. At the top of the screen, you'll see the group's name. Click on it. This will open the group's profile and settings panel. Next, look for the edit icon, which usually appears as a pencil or similar symbol beside the group name. Click on this icon to enter the editing mode for your group. Now, you'll see a menu with several options. Find and select the Permissions section. This is where you control what group members can and cannot do. In the Permissions menu, look for the option labeled Send Media. Click on it to expand the available media options. Within Send Media, you'll find a list of toggles for different types of media that members can send. Locate the option for Send Video Messages. If it's currently disabled, simply click the toggle to enable it. This will allow all group members to send video messages in your group chat. Once you've enabled Send Video Messages, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Now everyone in your group will be able to record and send video messages directly from their devices, making your group chats more interactive and personal. With these simple steps, you've unlocked a powerful new way for your group to communicate. Enjoy the enhanced experience, and keep exploring Telegram's features to make the most of your group.